Hi guys, hope you're good. Si pia tuko poa. Busy unaona paka tunakosa kwenda kinyozi. Yeah. So something interesting has happened. Nimeamshwa na simu, one of my friends called me from home, and there's something that has happened. He told me that in a span of 1 week, 4 businesses have been robbed, and out of the 4 businesses, 3 people have been killed. A security guy, 2 security guys, and 1 customer who had gone to that business to buy something. So the guy who called me felt that we can be able to use technology to come up with something. So I've been thinking about it for like 30 minutes now, and I decided now to meet the team and brief the team on the idea that I have that can be able to help in improving the security in our neighborhoods. So it's early morning, but I had to wake them up. So now the idea is coming up with a system that can be able to alert the police whenever an incident is taking place. We'll have 3 outputs. Now 1 ni alarm in. So to say I've closed my business and I am the system. So if somebody tries to break inside in my business, so it will take a vibration sensor. But we have to make sure that the price is as low as possible so that normal people can afford. Now, how will this know the location? And then how will this know the police station? That's when we are coming out to the software now. Now from the software, first we'll have to register. These are base stations which are in police stations. Okay. Now we have different police stations, and we have to create the system in such a way that it's scalable. Same management system can be implemented in all the police stations countrywide.
The police station is in Kitengela.
Oh yes, exactly. Very good. And uzuri wako uzuri wake iko sawa, si kama bro bali
kama niko Kitengela nikipinya baki safi.
Nafikiri ni ndege hapa. So
lakini nimeelewa komuna.
So we are sending 2 messages. 1 near where that unit belongs. 2 which base station it should report to.
Do you know there's something called fire?
Yes.
How can you integrate that? It will go to the fire department.
Yani acha nikwambie, I'm surprised. Leo amefikiria kama wazungu 7. Congratulations.
Hey guys, acheni ndio basic moja by the about tech family. Mnajua Muna ndo anakuwa advance wa technology kwa hii team. Kwanza kula ametoa point moja hapa amazing sana, tunafaa kumpigia makofi hata.
Hello guys, I'm Zach, the lead developer of Tech Family. We just finished up the meeting. Maurice had just pitched to us the project. So we've been thinking about it. We like the idea. It's something that we've never done before. So Maurice has gone to town to buy the screens, chips, the vibration sensors, all the components that are required for the system, so that we can come up with a prototype and implement it and see how it goes. We're looking forward to working this new project. Here at Tech Family, we get some crazy and some weird projects, but we're happy to do them, and I'm looking forward to see how this comes up.
My name is Muna. So the meeting was the pitch. Let me call it the pitch. The pitch was good. I'm supposed to start with the software. So the first part is coming up with the name. Then the next step is buying the domain, checking the availability of the name, if the domain is there. If it goes to that stage, now I come to the branding. Come up with logo concepts, narrow it down to like 3 or 5. After designing the logo, we're going to take it to copyright to see actually if it passes the criteria of copyright and all the legal stuff. Then after that, we're good to go.
Okay, finally we have agreed. And this is basically how the system will work. So we'll have 3 major parts. The first is the business side, where we will install a Doria business transmitter. So the transmitter has a button. Immediately you press the button, it will send a signal to the nearest police station. So inside the police station, we'll have Doria base station installed. So the base station has a button, has 2 LEDs and a screen. So basically the LEDs are to show the status of the system, if the network is okay, if it's connected, everything is okay. And then the screen is what will display the information of where the signal is coming from. For example, if a business is called Morris Cyber, which is in X Road. So when Morris Cyber presses the button, the business will display the information of Morris Cyber on the screen so that the police can be able to respond. And then another part that we've added, which is an extra feature, we felt that we need to create something that the user can be able to interact with the system every single day, so that they can remember that there is a security system installed in their business. So that's why we went ahead and create a simple user-friendly application. So this is the business, this is the user, and this is the police station. So the business communicates with the police station. The police station can also send an alarm signal to the business, and then the business communicates to the owner of the business. So the owner can be able to control the lights, they can be able to arm the alarms, and then the business anytime can be able to send signal to the police station.
The next step is working on the software. Because remember, Doria is a two part. This is the hardware part, which Maurice and his hardware team, the hardware team is working on. And I'm in the software department, more precisely the UI, which means user interface, and the UX, which means user experience to end. And then I'm going to provide my designs to Zach's department, whereby they're going to do the logic, which is the functionality and the coding. So this is the designing of the app. As you can see, Doria, this is the splash screen. I'm using this amazing software called Adobe XD. It's a software for designing UI. You can check it out. So basically, this is the app. You can see the splash screen, the logging, the signing up, and this is the home page. So I will just go through quickly, because the good thing about Adobe XD is I can design the screens, and then I can prototype it and actually see how the application would look. So this is how the application would look. So that is the splash screen, then the signing up. So I can't actually put details, just that it's a prototype. So just click sign in. So this is going to be the home page. Now let me just show with my phone. You can see that is the splash screen. You can see the rear armed and ready, and then it comes to the sign in page. So the user has to sign up, but we will do this as we come to install the Doria system. We will actually sign you up. So it's simple. All you need is your name, your phone number, your ID, password, and you're going to be sign in. Go to the home screen. So this app is basically the user's app. So you can actually manage your Doria system, that is the hardware, whereby you can turn it off. You can see disarm Doria means you want the Doria system to be off. You'll just swipe, and it will ask you, are you sure you want to disarm your Doria? And it will tell you the disadvantage of disarming it, and then you say yes and home, and automatically it will disarm it, and it will send you a notification your Doria has been disarmed, and it also send you an SMS. Another good feature we've added in the Doria system is you can able to unlock your door and lock it remotely using your application, and you can also turn on your lights and turn them off remotely. That is the security light for your business. So simple, just swipe and it will ask you, are you sure you want to turn off the lights? You say yes, lights off successfully, go back home. As simple as that. Send you a notification up here, Doria lights have been turned off, and you're good to go. It's same case, if you want to turn them on, just come back. Are you sure you want to turn your lights on? Yes, home, send your notification, simple as that. Another good feature we've added on the app is this is your profile, and you can add as many businesses as you can. And it can be managed with one application.
I believe that life has no rehearsal. You cannot say that let me rehearse today so that I can live better tomorrow. Every second count, every minute count. So for us, we can even work 24/7, 365, as long as we achieve the goals that we want to achieve. I'm very lucky to work with the team because every person, every individual in this team is a genius in their own ways. And every project that comes to the table quickly is executed professionally. You know what you do? Tengeneza logo. Ya ulinzi na secure me. And then
alafu si ati ukwe. Si ati ukwe. Atakuwa baya sio jamaa. Atakuwa baya sio. Atakuwa baya. Atakuwa baya jamaa. Atengeza madhogodhanio hapo. Madhogodhanio za ulinzi alafu atengeze secure me kali sana.
I really love every single day that I spent with the team.